guys, today we are doing no audio challenge indoors. No audio slash sound slash noise challenge. Whatever you want to call it. Noise, sound, or anything else like audio. Anything else that has sound. Well, you can hear us, but you cannot hear. You can't hear the TV, but you can hear us. We can't hear the TV too, so yeah. Number 6. No audio. Seems a bit hard. This challenge. He can be normal doors. So that means he can be audio. We are playing this until we win. So yeah. Sorry that we started a bit late. We started when we were like on door 3. Sorry because my recorder wasn't that working. I had to check if our recorder was working to hear our voices, but not the TVs. So we turned it straight down. And then we went into the lobby. And then we recorded. And then somehow it wasn't working. We checked the remote, it was all fully done. You can't hear us, so 12. Hey guys! I can't really see. Oh. This might be a bit tough. Dom, why don't you talk? You're the play gamer. Yeah, Dom's playing.
Yeah.
Dom's playing. He's the player, I'm the recorder.
Well, guess we found out.
Rush is coming. Hop in. Ah, nice. Well, our next challenge is going to be no hiding, then no crawling, then no items, then we have to complete 8 to 1,000. And then we're going to complete it backwards. Well, next video, we're going to do no hiding. And then the next video, we might do no crawling. And then the next video, we'll do no items. And then complete 8 to 1,000. And then we'll do complete it backwards. So we have to go to April Fools. Yeah, this is actually going to be real. Hopefully Void doesn't come. Glitch by yourself is glitch when you're by yourself.
Well, what happens if you pass the dupe door? What just happened? Oh, so they raced
Pig! Raced out into pig.
Raced into pig? It's a pig now.
I know.
So you can't
duped.
remember. You
You
can't
duped.
remember?
You're duped.
Now he's gone. This must be
He has gone away.
22.
23. Ah. I hurt my arm.
I'm gonna loot.
He hurt his leg. This is a challenge, okay? So yeah.
I'm gonna loot.
Loot. Oh, looting is searching for gold. If you guys don't know what looting is, it's like searching for gold. So he's looking for gold
I don't know.
because he wants gold. He's got 140. Not that great at looting. Figure. I don't think he'll get Jeff. You have to get Jeff. So you have to loot. So you have
Well, the clock's
because I know
timing.
you want to get
It's like chime.
chime from what too? It's fan made, okay? It's fan made.
Chime? Like, think
Yeah.
you just died at chime.
Chime.
Chime
Tom.
is a bit harder to survive.
Tom.
Do you think chime is hard to survive?
Yeah, it's ricochet.
It's like Chinese.
Chinese.
Instead of chime, let's call it China or Chinese.
No. That'll be a bit bad. You can hear us. We can't hear anything.
Does Death
Both of us
no
can't hear anything.
Does
So
Death
if Ambush comes,
That's gonna be hard. Maybe we'll go hold up.
luckily, might be a Hulk comes since
No, that's
you're by
guiding
yourself.
light.
No, Hulk might come soon because you're by yourself. So that it's hard to get a Hulk when there's 4 players. Hard.
Oh look, which?
We are on Xbox.
Hey, it's right there. It's right there.
Gucci Light. Oh, Timothy.
Yeah, Timothy.
Timothy.
Suck, Timothy.
Timothy.
This sucks.
Timothy. The best shot ever.
Yeah, look, you're gonna see every door raced out.
Like a pig.
Yeah. It's always gonna be like a pig. Run to the Duke door.
Run, you're gonna get voided.
I'm not.
Yes, you are. Void's gonna pig you. Void is gonna pig you out.
Look, it's raced out.
It's a pig. No! See? Void's here. Run!
Well, it just sits there.
Run! Before you get voided. Search for 23 so nobody can find. Search for 24! Go quick. Go quick. 280 gold. Not great.
Raced out.
Like a pig.
Okay. So you can't remember.
So yeah. But in the no items challenge, you can use keys, okay? If there is a locked door, you can use keys. In the no items challenge, which is going to be our 4th challenge. X. Looking like a little pig. Oh my god.
Raced out. Looks like pig.
Oh, this Eisenhower. Phew, they're not flickers. They're not
Dark
flickers.
seek. Or dark seek. I would
No audio and seek chase. No vitamins. Yeah, actually my time. 16.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I just need What? 3 or 4 in a row?
4. Oh, here goes the ricochet with seek. When it flickers, then the next room is seek. Oops. Okay, I'm going to tell you how much money he's got. 355. Oh yeah. Guys, I will be right back. Still going to be with Dominic. So Dominic, can you please talk?
Yeah.
For the viewers. I gotta go for a second.
This is it. Come on. Okay. This is so good. So you always have to pay attention to the doors because they might have a dupe. If you don't,
You're right.
they'll get
Be
raced
yours
out.
one. Shimmy.
Raced out.
Shimmy. Hi, I'm Pikachu. No.
Don't try. Oh.
Oh.
Screech. I think
Screech.
Screech is gonna kill me.
Look around them.
Alright.
Screech.
I have no audio
Look down.
now.
No audio.
This sucks right now. This sucks.
Look up. And down.
Oh,
Screech.
I got killed Screech.
Right here.
Oh, gimme. Give me a drop some money. Dropping my money. Down some money. I got 480.
20 more cash. And then you can buy a crucifix. I'll be right back.
Anyway.
Okay, this is gonna win.
Oh, you might get a hole. Right before. Oh, nah.
Oh, I got lucky.
What?
Can it be something? Can it be a flashlight or so I can swap?
Anything.
Oh, lockpick. I like that.
That's nice.
I like
Right,
that. I hate when there's lighters in there.
Yeah.
I like when flashlights.
What if a candle? There's always a candle in that room. Candle. The candle has saved you from your... Just kidding.
A battery.
Ooh, that's
Sometimes
nice.
this room's normally dark.
Sometimes eyes is in here. Have to get some loots. You didn't get... You can buy a crucifix.
Of course.
And then you have $35 left. You have to get a crucifix. What if there's no crucifix? Oh no! Clumsy old looking dude!
Oh, looking dude.
Book. Oh, I thought that was a book. That all of
Can you
them.
move, please? Because I can't see where the books are.
Especially. You can crouch. There's one book.
Oh, good. I'm crouching.
Oh!
Oh, book. 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 Where's figure?
Upstairs.
Oh, there's figure. There's a figure.
The figure. He's figuring out how to oof him because he's not that smart.
He's so blind.
He is blind.
Oh, I thought I saw a book over there.
The olive books are the closest ones.
Watch his. Can you move, please? Because I want to watch his route. See where it's going.
If you wait too long, then guiding light will help you. Nice. A book. You're stealing the books.
I want to steal the books.
4. 6. Nice.
Nice. I just see that book right there.
Behind it?
Yeah, then I have a book there.
Oh. Okay. Can I solve the puzzle code for you?
Oh,
Figure. Eek. Run.
I think there's 2 more books
One.
right there.
But look at the code
2 more
first.
books right there. Alright.
We haven't got the first one. 2,
Wait, hang on.
4, 2, 4. It's something 2, 4 something something. I'm slow.
There's 2 more books right there.
Here. 6. Go go go. On the other side. On the other side. Here. What?
What?
That must be all, right? 7, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4,
I need
5,
guiding
6,
light.
7. 7 more. It's 1 in there. There.
I think I want guiding light.
Guiding light. Okay. 7, 2, 4. 7, 2, 4, 4. 7, 2, 4, 4 something. 7, 2. I've got it all to my head. 7, 2, 4, 4 something.
Can you show me the... Wait.
Seven, 2, 4, 4.
I think Duels is such a best all game.
Yeah. Is it though? Yes. Why? Funny. Who's the most hated monster? Scrooge. Why? Why? Why Scrooge? I like Scrooge.
Samunier, no me tomas tartas. Behind there? Good. Oh, there it is. Nice. Nice.
That was a really good hiding spot in a different color.
Oh, 7. It's 7. 7, 2, 4, 4, 7. That's the code. 7, 2, 4, 4, 7.
7, 2, 4, 4, 7. 7, 2, 4, 4, 7.
7, 2, 4, and then hide. Get in! Oh!
Who's coming?
Nice! Crucify. Yes.
Why this one?
This.
Yeah.
Yes. You have to look behind you.
We might.
Oh. Okay. I'm gonna answer.
Oh, there was a dupe there.
Oh, scramble! Luckily you have crucify.
Crucifix him. Crucifix him.
55.
Use a crucifix on him. Crucifix on him. You can go back and see. You're close to Jeff.
Samingo das. I built it a screen recorder 28.
Would you be able to? You can find the key.
Screech. Go.
Use your flashlight.
Wait, I want to wait for guiding light. It's. What are you using? Oh, there you go.
We saw a screech. We saw a screech.
Yes. Gucci light.
Gucci light. Who's Gucci light?
A screech. Don't move, Screech.
Oh, did you see his gums?
Yes.
His gums look funny.
That pink.
Funny gums.
He's gummy bear. He's a gummy bear.
55.
55. Wait, what's this? 55. Guys, that's bright guiding light.
Guiding light's nice.
Not if you crucify him.
Horsey.
Horsey.
Crucifix.
Ambush.
How do you know?
I can. Oh, come on, Timothy.
Ambush.
I don't like you, Timothy.
How do you know there's an ambush? Is the ambush coming?
Oh, there's Screech.
Screech. Sorry, butthole bum.
Ambush! Ambush!
Ambush.
Go wait for the candle to go out. Then Screech.
Don't know that there's a Scrooge. Why use a crucifix? The psst. Aish. Sorry guys, this is no audio.
Fingers.
Imagine if it catch up on the super hard mode.
Ah! This little piglet!
What if the lighter goes out?
Gucci light! Follow the Gucci light! Gucci light! Thank you so much.
Oh.
Screech!
He's a big mouth, bro. He looks like a big mouth. He has to see
So
how
this
many-
come.
Hopefully there's no.
Ambush! Might be a hole.
Oh, whoa, what just happened? Oh, ambush.
What?
If I got ambush, I would say, oh, whoa, what just happened? What just happened? Oh, whoa, what just happened? Oh, ambush, I got him. Got the ambush.
Got the ambush.
Ambush.
He gave up because he's so dumb.
You know, Hyde gives up into 100 now. If Duke gives
Yeah.
up into right?
Even though 50.
No.
Oh, ambush might come. Let's rush.
Is that fake?
Let's rush.
Oh, no. Look
Seek.
at that. That's a seek eyeball.
That's the beak.
That's eye. Look, they're multiplying. So that means they can't come.
They get bigger and bigger. Guys, I think we might die.
Oh, I just saw that 69 raced into a pig at 70. Yeah, I knew it. It got
Guys,
raced into-
we might die here. Guys, we might die here.
I got
So
no
it's
vitamins.
Dom's chance.
I
to
got no
survive.
vitamins. I got no vitamins. I got no vitamins.
Impress.
I got no
Impress him.
vitamins.
Impress the fans. Why do we go so slow? Dun, dun, dun. Come on.
He just yells ball.
Ah! Let's go! We did it! We completed
You
seek
did?
number 2.
What up?
Seek gives up. Guys, this is gonna be
Oh,
tough.
death. It's
Death.
death.
Deepness.
Why is it deepness?
Guys.
It's death.
You know what that means. It's greenhouse. I thought that was Holt for a second.
It was a fake out.
No. New. New.
No, it's just a fake out.
New.
Another death. Why
Deep.
is they call
Net.
them deepness for?
Simonius, let me knock down. I'm gonna show you guys how much coins he has. 55. Oh, I can tell you, he has 55, 4,022 knobs.
I just saw call shift. Oh,
Oh yes!
what just happened? Oh, ambush! I killed you, ambush!
He gives up.
Goodbye, ambush.
He says,
I killed him. Oh,
Piglet!
A piglet! Now it's here.
A piglet. Low
Oh, I
on
think it's this
this.
one.
Told
A piglet.
Did you know a piglet?
Piglet.
Piglet.
Oh, I thought that was a hole, but it's a rush.
What? Oh my god! Did you guys see that? He came from the ground. that.
He's
Guys, did you see that?
Well, no,
I
no,
wonder if you
ambush-
did.
If ambush coming in right there.
At the video if you saw that.
Like the subscribe the video.
And
if you saw
subscribe
that. Like the video if you did.
if you
see that.
like. Then subscribe. Yeah, that's not funny, bro. Who's funnier? Me
You
or
can't
Dom?
vo-
Subscribe if you think I'm funnier. Like if you think Dom's funnier. Like if you think Dom's funnier. And sub if you think I'm funnier. Because I do more videos and I'm posting this one. And Dom's the player, I'm the recorder, but I record it. So you
I
should.
got a question, Chris.
Yeah.
Do you know you can't buy a Band-Aid in Jeff's shop?
It's going to be like, you're okay?
Yeah.
I've literally got 1% off. Yeah, you're still okay. Boop. You left the game. Are you serious? That's what Jeff says. Hold.
Damn, it might be Rush.
Damn. We're entering the greenhouse, guys.
Did you see that door code?
Rush.
Oh, Rush!
Guys!
She.
Eyes.
No. This might be sucked.
We suck. Hide. Go into a closet.
Rush?
Rush.
Oh, this. No. You cheat light.
I saw a snare.
This might be him.
Hide immediately. Immediately, hide. Hide.
I think that might be him. Oh,
Might be a screech. Hide. Immediately. Go. Yes.
oh, Rush. I hate double rush.
Hide.
Oh,
No!
that was a double rush. Are you
Guys!
serious? These rooms they have no lights that can flicker. That's a double rush. Listen closely for the rush and stay near hiding spots. I am. That was a double rush. Yeah.
Oh!
97 in the
You
silent part.
should
Oh, did I get a knobs boost? Oh, I got boost. Oh, I spent. Oh, I
Spent
got
gold.
78 knobs. Look, I have 4,001.
Spend gold. No! You didn't spend that much gold. A crucifix cost 500. And he bought a crucifix.
Yeah, it's used on ambush.
And used on ambush. No, guys.
Now.
Hi, guys. This was a really bad video. Bye. We can't even win a single challenge. I guess we're doing no hiding. That's going to be tough.